Boeing Fire, going to do a maintenance engine run on the LCF at Compass Rose.
3-1, thank you.
Boeing Fire, 1336.
Everett Field and Fire, 737 with 4, 2 touch and goes, in 15.
4-1.
6-2, copy.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 635.
635 is Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Yes, sir, inbound your station, about 15 minutes, 2 touch and goes, back to Boeing Field.
Roger, copy. You take 15 minutes, 2 touch and goes. Back to Boeing Field. Thank you, Boeing Everett.
Everett Field for an aircraft move, large cargo freighter, Compass Rose to Frank 1 and 5.
6-2, copy.
Everett Field and Fire, takeoff 777 with 13, install 216.
6-2, copy.
Boeing Everett, 881.
8-1 is Boeing Everett, go ahead.
We started engines. We're in the middle of test conditions, so we forgot to give you a warning. But anyway, we've got 1-3 on board. We'll be going out to Southgate.
Roger, copy. I saw you pop number 2, so I already let them know. Thanks for the warning.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
Station 331, Boeing Fire, 777, clearing to the south. 747 LCF is shut down in part, 3-1, and foam 30 clear to field, 3136.
1613, thank you. Everett Field and Fire, landing 777 with 13, in 10, destination unknown.
6-2, copy. You're probably going back to 216.
Destination stall 216.
Boeing Everett, 881.
81, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Should be on the ground at 10 minutes past the hour.
Roger, copy. On the ground, 10 minutes past the hour. Thank you, 881, Boeing Everett.
Thank you.
Boeing Fire 331 will also be on the landing.
331, thank you.
Boeing Everett, this is Boeing 002 on VHF.
Boeing 002, Boeing Everett, go on, clear, go ahead.
Yeah, doing pre-flight radio checks. This is left VHF, how copy?
Out clear.
And center VHF, how copy?
And loud clear.
And right VHF, how copy?
And you're loud clear.
Okay, switching to HF 2851.
Boeing Everett, clear.
And Boeing Everett 002, requesting the cell cap.
Boeing 002, Boeing Everett, I'll call policy.
And that cell cap was received. Thanks very much for your time, Boeing 002, clear and off frequencies.
You have a good day, Boeing Everett.